Quasimodo pattern. Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today I will reveal one of the very rare but very good Quasimodo patterns. So the Quasimodo pattern is the pattern that is very similar to double top and double bottom. So look this, we have a price, for example, rising price on some asset, and then as we know, we just go to another wave, and after that wave, that's a bearish wave, we have another bullish leg. That bullish leg touch the highest high of that asset price in some moment, and then there is a reversal. That can be, if you trade Elliott waves, that can be, for example, fifth Elliott wave, and this is something that's very common in trading, and usually you see this as a breakout. However, to have Quasimodo pattern, something special needs to happen, and this is the new leg. And this leg is very interesting because in this leg we will be on the same price level as we were in the first attempt. So as you can see, the price level is similar, of course, on the chart. And if you have this kind of pattern, we call this Quasimodo pattern. And Quasimodo pattern has ability that in the next leg we can see a stronger, very strong bearish move like this. So Quasimodo pattern, this is the very similar as a double top, because if you just look this, it looks like a double top. However, between these two double tops, we have higher price level. So this is the unique pattern, and it's very rare. Where you can find this kind of pattern? You can find sometimes on the Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar, but not very often, and as I like, on the precious metals. So this secret pattern I like to use on precious metals when I trade, usually on 4-hour or daily chart time frame. And I will just show you one practical example. Now we are in gold 30 minutes chart. I pick 30-minute chart because this is a very rare pattern and you will need to wait a couple of months if you want to see on daily or weekly chart. But on the 30-minute chart, we just saw this. So how we can spot, it's very hard to spot Quasimodo pattern, but I will just show you one interesting thing. Look, I will put this price level here. So what we have high, then we went down, then another push leg, up, then down, and then we had a price almost in the same level as in the first leg. And after that, we had a strong push to the downside. So when I like to trade this kind of pattern, this is as we see, similar to double top or double bottom, and I like to trade this kind of pattern in the end of the month. And this happens very often in trading, because in the last week of the last trading week, we can see strong movements in some of the directions. Why? Because big banks, big dogs, like to close the trades in the beginning or the end of the month because they want to clear some positions. Many of that big companies make some kind of the rebalance. You know, for example, they keep, for example, 5, 6 strong either indices, either currency pairs, and then they remove the weakest one and add another strong one, for example. And when that happens, when the big corporations, big hedge funds, big traders do such a things, close the trades on the end of the month and do the rebalancing, or maybe just want to take a profit because they want to get a bonus in the end of the month for the next month or something like that, we see a crazy patterns and some kind of the liquidity grab on the charts. So like I said, you can try to see this kind of Quasimodo pattern on your charts, particularly at the end of the month. And if you like to trade double top or double bottoms, this kind of patterns are very good, and you can use the same strategy that you use for double top or double bottom. So in this case, what I want to tell you is I would put a stop loss just above, for example, this highest higher levels, and I will try to create 1-to-1, 1-to-2, or maybe higher risk-reward ratio. Of course, I sometimes just put open profit and monitor in the longer time frame, because this kind of strategy can be easily be a swing trade. Either I use 30-minute chart. Why? Because when I enter into trade, sometimes I will keep my trade more than 1 day, maybe 2 days, because I wonder and I'm trying to see some bigger trend or bigger movement on the chart. So I hope that this video was beneficial, and I wish you a great day, and bye bye.